Mount Paektu, also known as Mount Changbai, is located on the border between North Korea and China. Arguably one of the oldest state boundaries in the world, the mountain is considered as the ancestral origins of both the Manchus and Koreans, with a demarcation stele erected to the south of its summit in 1722. In the 2 decades after World War II, the mountain and its adjacent area has gained unprecedented complexities, highlighted by the division of Korea in 1945 and the demarcation of the China-North Korea border in 1962. Endowed with rich natural resources, ginseng collection and river fisheries were crucial for local livelihoods since ancient times. Large-scale commodification of nature in the Mount Paektu region started in the late 19th century. The mountain witnessed drastic deforestation caused by overcutting, first by Japanese during its occupation of the region in the early 20th century, and later, through unmitigated logging in the state-owned forests in both China and North Korea during the second half of the 20th century led to severe deforestation and natural disasters in the Mount Paektu region. More recently, with the increasing inflows of capital from both South Korea and Northeast China, the landscape of Mount Paektu started to be commercialized through new means, exemplified by the burgeoning mineral water industry. Not only one of the 3 golden water sources in the world, but also the origin of culture for northeastern Chinese and Korean. Mount Paektu witnesses the rapid expansion of mineral water plants on its China side. There has also been an emerging discussion about the expansion of mineral water industry into the southeastern corner of Mount Paektu within the North Korean territory. Such idea does not only cater to the need of benefit sharing and peacemaking among 3 countries, but also North Korea's desire to modernize its economy and attract foreign investment. While idea of following the China model to reform and opening up was firstly advocated since the 1990s, it wasn't until Kim Jong-un became the supreme leader of North Korea in 2011 that a dozen special economic zones were created, with the majority situated along North Korea's borders with China and South Korea. With the increasing awareness of the economic value of its liquid gold, granting Mount Paektu region a special economic zone status has become a precondition for North Korea to access required Chinese and South Korean capital and techniques for mineral water extraction. This project explores a novel trinational collaborative framework applied within the soon-to-be special economic zone to mitigate potential risk of impairing cultural, political and ecological significance of Mount Paektu due to unregulated use of the natural resources within the region.